What's up, people? Turn the air conditioner down for a second. I am on my way to deliver the Blackvue DR900S 2-channel dash cam along with the Power Magic Ultra battery, the Bravo 124 X-Ray, to our recent winner, who also happens to be from the Philadelphia area. They live about 20 minutes away from me, and I'm on route now to actually drop this off. So if you don't know what's going on, this is the first video you've ever seen from me. I like to give away stuff whenever I can. Whenever our channel has like a milestone, you know, when we hit like we just hit 20,000 subscribers. So thanks to all of you out there that keep continuing to support me. Blackvue, one of my sponsors, helps me by giving me dash cams to give away. I'm tripping all over my tongue today. I'm not even going to edit that out. And it's been a busy day. Was getting the car detailed earlier today. I don't know if you saw the reaction video from some of my detailers buddies that went for a ride. But now I am continuing my errands journey this afternoon by heading up to the far northeast here in the Philadelphia region to drop this camera off to our lucky winner. And I've got the GPS on in the background, so I apologize if it starts talking over this. I'm not going to talk long. I'm going to pick this up once we get up there to drop this off. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we'll be at this person's house in a few minutes. This is Rich. This is the winner of our dash cam. And if you notice, Marine Hoa is also Philly PD and a Desert Storm vet. Outstanding. And so we were just looking at his Jeep over here, showing him where everything's lined up. It's nice. I was just telling him that it's nice that it's local and I didn't have to ship it. Yeah, I don't like shipping, honest to God. That's why, thank God it was somebody that was local. So we're gonna go and we're gonna just hurry up and wrap this up. And again, congratulations, brother. Congratulations. And also thanks for your service. I appreciate it. All right, we are all wrapped up. I just left hanging out with Rich, the winner of the dash cam, for a little bit. Great guy. We had a lot in common. He's a veteran. He was also in the Gulf War, so we were talking about that for a little while. He's a civilian police officer. I was an Army MP. We were just BSing for a little bit, talking about some stuff that's coming up. We're talking about some product reviews and stuff. Really cool dude. It was really nice meeting him. I will see him down the road. But yeah, that's it. So, you know, I have no problem whatsoever if anybody ever wins one of my giveaways. If you're local, I do not mind dropping the stuff off and meeting you. To me, it's a lot easier than shipping, because I hate going to either the post office or dropping it off at UPS. It's just, I'd rather just drop it off in person. And I also told Rich if he has any problems with the installation to hit me up, and we'll set a time up and I'll go up there and help him get the camera installed. I will be doing an install video myself coming up in about a week when I get my replacement. I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace a broken Blackvue dash cam. Super, super easy, especially when you already have the existing hardware and mounts in place. It is basically just a quick swap. Mount the camera, register it, and you're good to go. So that's all for today. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that little bell notification right next to it. Down here in the corner if you would. Click subscribe, I really appreciate that. Last but not least, you guys and girls be safe. That's all I got. I'm out.